Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Sehgal and you're watching Innovation Revolution. In this video, we're going to learn about functions, modules, comment and doc strings, function argument, and many more things about Python. And this is the Python session sixth, and this is amazing session. We're going to learn much more Python stuff. So start watching this video. Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Sehgal and you're watching Innovation Revolution. In this video, we're going to learn about function and method of Python. So, function and method contains code reuse, function argument, returning from function, many more things. So, let's start with code reuse. Reusing code means it is very important part of programming in any language. Increasing code size make it harder to maintain. For a large programming project to be successful, it is essential to be adhered by the do not repeat yourself or DRY principle. You have already looked at one way of doing that by using loop function. In this method, we will explore two more, which are functions and methods. And bad representative code is said to be abide by the wet principle, which stand for write everything twice or we enjoy trying. That is what wet called. So let's start. What are functions? We have already used function in previous session, and any statement that consists of word following by information in parenthesis is a function call. Here are some example. So let's start writing it. So let's write print parenthesis double quotation mark hello world, and exclamation mark. Now enter, then range parenthesis 2 comma 20, and then enter again, then string str parenthesis 12, then range parenthesis 10 comma 20 comma 3. So this is how we can write functions. Okay, the word in front of the parenthesis are function name, and the comma separate value inside the parenthesis are function argument. So let's play if it run or not. So it display hello world only, because we did not complete our functions like range, string and range again. That's why it did not give the output of those things. So next is functions. So function, in addition to use predefined function, you can create your own function by using the def statement. Here is an example. So def my underscore function parenthesis then colon. Okay, then print red double quotation mark and red, then print parenthesis double quotation mark blue, then print parenthesis double quotation mark red, and then my function, my underscore function, func, short form of function. So the output is nothing. Let play again. The output is nothing because we write two reds and one blue, but it's not also working. So it take no see, my function take no argument and print spam three blue red 3 times. It is defined and then called. The statement in the function are executed only when the function is called. So the see, the code block within every function start with a colon. Okay, so let me see, the problem is that I use space between print and my function statement here, like this. That's why it's not working. So let's run this code again. As you can see, 3 times red, the code is working. So move on to next part, which is you must define function before they are called, in the same way that we must assign variable from before using them. Like, let me delete all this. Like hello, parenthesis, then enter, sorry, parenthesis, then def hello, parenthesis, then colon, then print parenthesis quotation mark hello world. Like, let's play this. Before playing, it will give you the name error because name hello is not defined in this program. Okay, as you can see name error, name hello is not defined. So that's how we have to define function, not function, we must define function before we have to call it. Okay, then what is function argument? And all the function defines were locked at so far have been function of 0 argument, which are called with empty parenthesis. Okay, however, most function take argument. The example I will give you, like def print underscore with underscore exclamation, then parenthesis, then word, then colon, and then print parenthesis word plus quotation mark and then exclamation sign. So then print wait a second, then enter, then print, not here, like print underscore with underscore exclamation then parenthesis, double quotes, red, then enter, then print underscore with, yeah, then blue, then print underscore, yeah, then double quotation mark, then green. That's how we can write arguments. Let's play this. The output is red, blue or green. Okay, the words with ending exclamation mark, as you can see, this is how an argument work, and we can add exclamation at the end of the words. As I said before, that the argument is defined inside the parenthesis. Okay, so the next topic is argument. Also, you can also define function with more than one argument, separate them with commas. So let me give you the example. Yeah, def print underscore sum underscore twice, then parenthesis, then x comma y. Okay, that's how we can separate two arguments using comma. Then print x plus y, then print x minus y, then print underscore sum underscore twice. Yeah, x, no, the value of x we give 4, and separate the second argument, use first argument, separate the first argument using comma, and give the value of y is 6. Let's see what the result is going on. Yeah, the mistake is we have to use colon at the end of the def function. So the output is 10. If we add 6 plus 6 and 4, the output is 10, and if we minus 6 from 4, the output is minus 2, because 6 is greater term than 4. Okay, now again, function argument can be used as variable inside the function definition. However, they cannot be referenced outside the function definition. This also applies to other variable created inside a function. Okay, so let me give you the example. Def function, parenthesis variable, then colon, then enter variable, plus equals to 1, print parenthesis variable, then function, parenthesis 7, then print variable. Before playing it, I will give you the error is going to become the error is name error, because a variable is not defined in this program. That's why we are going to be uh, facing an error. So first the output is 8, because function equals to 7 and variable plus equals to 1, which means 7 plus 1 equals to 8. The first answer the first argument we will get the answer 8, and the second one is name error, because variable is not defined in the function. That's why we will get the name error. So technically parentheses are the variable in the in a function definition, and argument are the value put into parentheses when function are called. So the next topic is returning from function. See, creating functions such as int or string return a value that can be used later. To do this, for your definition function or def function, you can use the return statement. Let me give you the example. So like def max parenthesis x comma y, then quotation semicolon, not semicolon, colon only, if x is greater than or equal to y, colon, return x. Else colon return y. Okay, now print max parenthesis, inside parenthesis 4 comma 7, then z equals to max, which is 8 comma 5, and print parenthesis z. Let's see what is going to be the result. The output is 7 and 8. Why the output is 7 and 8? See, the first if statement says that if x is greater than or equal to y, return x. 7 is not greater than or equal to 4, that's why it returned the y value, which is 7. Okay, the z equals to 5, print z. If we can say that x is also not greater than x is greater than y, that's why the return value is 8, because the 8 is greater than 5, that's why the output is 8. See, the return statement cannot be used outside of a function definition. Okay, we can't use function print return statement outside the function definition. Okay, once you return a value from a function, it immediately stop being executed. Any code after the return statement will never happen. Okay, again example. The example start from def add underscore number, sorry, not number, parenthesis x comma y, colon, then total equals to x plus y then print parenthesis, not print, return total, then print parenthesis, this won't be printed, then print parenthesis, add, add number which are 4 comma 5. Let's see the result, the output is 9, because the first def function is total equals to x plus y, which means 4 plus 5 equals to 9, and return which means the output is return. And after the return function, the functions which are like print this would not be working is stopped, because it is after return function. As I said before, once you return a value from a function, it immediately stop the program being executed. Any code after the return statement will never happen. Okay, this is the example I gave you. So the next topic is comments and docstring. Okay, what are comments? Comments are annotation to code used to make it easier to understand. They would not affect how code is running. In Python, a comment is created by inserting an ortho which is hashtag, means hashtag. All text after it or then lined is ignore, that line is ignore. Like if I write here, enter hashtag, this is return function. If I run this program, it did not give an error, because this is return function is a comment. So that's how we can write comment in Python. Okay, and Python did not have general purpose multi-line comments as do programming language such as C. Okay, Python did not include any general purpose programming multi-line comments, so it use hashtags. Okay, which are what are docstring? Other name of docstring are document strings, serve a similar purpose to comments, as they are designed to explain code. However, they are more specific and have a different syntax. They are created by putting a multi-line string containing an explanation of the function below the function first line. Like wait a second, this is how we can write doc strings. Okay, triple quotation mark, then this is return function going to return the value value 9. As you can see, I used to write 3 lines in docstring. This is how a docstring, which is another form of comment, work. So let's and it did not give an error. the output is again 9. It also did not affect affect your program to being executed. Okay. And unlike conventional comments, docstring are re- returned throughout the runtime of the program. This allowed the program to inspect their comments at runtime. Okay. Now the comment section, the comment and docstring had over. Now what are function and object? See, functions and object. Let's start with function. Although they are created differently from normal variables, function are just like any other kind of value. They can be assigned and reassigned to variables and later referenced by those name. Okay, let me give you the example. It also starts with def, like def multiply parenthesis x comma y, then colon, and then enter, then return x multiplication sign, then y, then enter, a equals to 5 and b equals to 4, and then operation equals to multiply, then enter, no parenthesis, enter, print, then parenthesis operation, then parenthesis a comma b. Let's see what is going to be the result. The result is 28, like what, not 28, is 20, sorry, because 5 into 4 is equals to 20. That's why the result is 20. As in this example assigned the function multiply to a variable operation. Now the name operation can also be used to call the function. Okay. Now function can also be used as argument of other function, like we just have to add here def do underscore twice parenthesis function func comma x comma y, then colon, then enter, return function parenthesis function x comma y, then comma function func, okay, parenthesis x comma y, then no, just we have to delete this operation. Now like print parenthesis do underscore twice parenthesis multiply parenthesis not parenthesis comma a multiply comma a comma b. Let's see the result. The result is 400. Okay, 400. The result is 400. As you can see, the function do twice, uh, like first it give the output 20 and then again 20, then multiply 20 and 20, which is the output is 400. Okay, as you can take an do twice, take a function and its argument and call it in its body. So do function, not do function, it's do twice, work like that. Then what are modules in Python? See, modules are prices of code, not prices, it's pieces of code that other people have written to fulfill common tasks, such as generating random numbers, performing mathematical operation, etc. The basic way to use a module to do add import module name, import module underscore name. Don't get confused, I will show you how to write that, write the thing. Okay, at the top of your code, and then and then using module name dot variable to access function and value when the name variable in the module. Okay, the example which I'm going to show is use the random module to generate random numbers. Okay, let me delete this. You can use import module for adding libraries like SIPPy, pygame, like that. Let's write import random. Okay, then enter for I in range parenthesis 5 colon underscore value, value equals to random dot rand int, random integer. Okay, then 1 comma 7, then enter print parenthesis value. Okay, this is how we can use import random to call or to include numbers or names in a program. Okay, let's play. The output is 54133. Okay, the output is 54133. Why why it is so? We use I in range 5. Before 5 all the numbers are going to become, and after 5 there are no there are two numbers and they are not going to be going to become. That's why we use I in that's for we use I in range. Okay, the code use the rendered function defines in the random module to print 5 random number in the range of 1 to 7, sorry, as I said before. Sorry. So and there are another kind of import that can be used if you only need certain function for a module. This take the this take a form for module underscore name import variable, or var, short form of variable, and then var can be used as if it were defined normally in your code. Let me give you the example. Without example nothing can be happen. So for from sorry from math import pi. Okay, wait a second. Then print parenthesis pi. Now uh, as you can see, it is working. Let me play this program. The output is 3.1415192 and many more numbers. uh, See, use a and the output is too long. And see, use a comma to separate list to import multiple object. For example, just need a comma s sqrt, like this. Okay, then instead of using uh, pi, just use sq, yeah, sqrt. Delete pi to see what is the output. Type error because we did not have any value in sqt parenthesis. Let me delete the parenthesis and then see if it work or not. Yeah, if it work, built-in function sqrt. Okay, the sqrt is the built-in function for math. And much more thing about multiplication sign imports all object from module. For example, uh, like for math import in multiplication sign. Okay, it import all the modules from it all the object from a module. Okay, it is generally discouraged as it confuses variable in your code, and variable is external modules. So before using the these inbuilt function, uh, make sure you can understand what it used for. So trying to import a module that is not available because cause an input error. Let me import to show you it is not an to show the error, input error. Import sorry import error, import import some module, some underscore module, and then print some underscore module. Let's see the error is import some module not found error, no module name, some underscore module. So that's how import error can occur. Okay, and trying to import a module that is not available cause an import error. So you can import a module or object under a different name using the as function, as keyword, sorry. This is mainly used when a module or object has a long or confusing name. Let me give you the example. IMPO, yeah, import no for from math import SQRT, which is full short form of square root, as square root underscore root. Then enter print square root square underscore root print 100. Let's see what is going to be the square root of 100. The square root of 100 is 10.0, and that's how we can use as function to recognize long length name of some modules. So our we have moved for to our last topic, which are about modules. There are three main type of modules in Python. Those you can write yourself, those you install from external source, and those that are pre-installed with Python. The last type is called the standard library and contains many useful modules. Some of the standard library's useful modules include string, RE, datetime, math, random, OS. As you can see, I use random and math in teaching you. Okay, OS, multi processing, sub process, Scott, email, JSON, doc test, document test. Okay, unit test, PDB, argument parse, which is known by ARGPARSE, and SYS. So testing that can be done by standard libraries including string parsing, data sterilizing, testing, debugging, and manipulating data, email, command line argument, and much more. You can task that can be you can task them by using these type of standard libraries. So Python extensively standard library extensive standard library is one of its main strength as a language. Okay, what is standard library? Some of the module in standard library are written in Python and some are written in C language. Most are available on all platform, and more are available on all platform, but some are Windows or Unix specified. Okay, uh, and many third-party Python modules are stored on the Python package index, which is py and pi. The best way to install these is use a program called pip. These this commons installed by default with modern distribution of Python. If you do not have it, it is easy to install online. Once you have it, install libraries from PyPy. PyPy is easy. Look up the name of the library you want to install. Go to the command line and enter pip install library name. Once you have done this, import the library and use it in your code. Okay, this is how when sorry this is how you can use pip to install libraries in Python using command line. Okay, or you if you are using any code editor, you can go to the setting and see if there is any like I will show you. Go to setting and wait a second. Yeah, here you can see some yeah, go to the file and then go to setting and go to my project Python interpreter, and then this see this add option and search your libraries. Like I search which py, yeah, here you can see pygame AI, and that's are all libraries of pygame. And you can download by using install package, and after installing you can then import in your program. uh, I am showing you for PyCharm, the code editor for Python. You can use any of the code editor, but you can see online for how you can install Python packages in for your project. So I will show I have showed you that how you can install Python libraries by using PyCharm. Okay. And I conclude this video here, and this is our Python session 6. And this is an amazing session. So I said goodbye until next time. Meet you in the next video. I hope you grab some knowledge and important thing about Python. So please like, share, subscribe, and comment your review about this video. And thanks for watching this video. Until next time.